where are you going now, Sham?
I'm going back to Sonny Marine.
Why?
Pick up another item.
So you're picking up. So what happened was the motor that we ordered or that we received the last time was not the right one. It didn't come with the remote. And this guy, he fancy and want a remote.
That's right.
So he want to wear it around his neck to remind him that he have a stroke motor. So they reordered the right one now, and we came to pick it up and pick up something else.
See, when it comes to Sonny Marine, you get free stuff. Yamaha, sure.
Make sure you let them know, Farmer Sham. So now you got your stuff. Hey, good. How are you? So Farmer Sham, so you got your correct motor, and you got t-shirts. That's cute. Nice and little, eh? Okay, don't watch too much. Come on, let's go. No looking. So Farmer Sham finally got his motor that he's gonna put around his neck.
Oh, mother.
So if he plays chop it with me, we can just choke him. Huh? What do you think? All right. Drop it in there. Don't lift, don't. Oh, my mama said, I mean, me, my gas stay home. Me go stay with Ken Rock. Me and he go wait for you. Come on back up. Sonny's Marine, guys. Fair, fast, and friendly. So we gotta do a shout out to Sonny's Marine again because they've sponsored a fishing video for Farmer Sham. So be on the lookout for that. Look at Kyle in action with his little sun hat. So let's give you a walking tour again of the marina here. Sham, let's go in the pontoon boat and see it. So why you can't go in? Alright, let's just see the boat inside. Farmer Sham said I can't go in the boat. Guys, my dream boat. Dreams do come true, I'm going to tell you that. And let me let you know that Farmer Sham is going to make the dreams come true. Beautiful. Drop it in the comment, guys. Do you like pontoon boats? Let us know.
This time.
Once
you buy the wrong one, I will switch it to a different.
We got the right one.
Alright guys, so be on the lookout. We have a few videos. Sonny's Marine.
Shout out to my buddy Sham.
There'll be a video coming out with Sham installing that. And then there's a video with Sonny's Marine sponsoring a Hassa video.
Yep.
Hassa fishing.
Yeah, man.
Are we going to get a lot of Hassa that day?
Invasive guys out of the water.
That's right. That's right, Kyle.
New toy again, look.
Boys and their toys. Oh God, that box more big than you.
You get everything you want.
Yeah. You sure are. What are you going to do now?
Time for to install this guy here.
So you're going to unbox it?
Is this from your birthday?
Yeah, my birthday celebration is not done yet.
Okay, go bring the boat. Let's see.
Come on.
Where you bring the boat? Till the top? Hey,
Bring the boat here.
you going to mess up my
I
can
drive
free.
him in the kitchen one time. So they bring a fish, you drive in the boat in the house.
Get clean and cook.
You could add a door here.
Yeah.
that opens up in the cabinets.
Mm-hmm.
I'm serious.
Mm. Garden, go help push now. Watch the soccer.
We don't need,
No.
when you make a shed here, we can put the boat here.
No, we're not doing that.
Why not?
No.
The boat will get garage kept.
My patio is not for a garage.
Garage kept.
For boat.
Come on, push.
Mommy, then what's the floor?
Baby, go help in the man.
Wait, Cliff?
Baby, hurry up. Up.
When you get sons, look.
Hold on, back up a little bit. Wait. No, Jack, back up. I'm going to take run off.
They don't understand anything you're saying when you say run off and this and that.
Go back.
Come, push. This friggin' Home Depot shit not good for nothing. It ain't even torn. Home Depot stuff is garbage. See?
Well, you shouldn't go to Home Depot and buy stuff for your boat. How about that?
Come. Push. Push.
Not gonna work.
Push.
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 Push again hard. There you go. There you go. That's why I mess up a concrete.
See? This Home Depot thing that is not torn.
You mess up my concrete.
Where?
Look on the thing. You graze your stupid boat and mess up my concrete.
Good for you.
Good for you. Jack, do it. Would look nice at top here.
No, it doesn't. Hurry up and take it down back.
Hey, watch your mouth. It's my project.
It's
her house.
It's my patio.
The table, if I put them here, you gonna shade the thing?
What table?
The umbrella?
Yeah.
No, go bring your tent and put up your
No, if I
tent.
bring a table here and open my lang with so.
I don't know.
Mommy, the patio's not even done yet.
I know it's not done yet.
You have to put a whole mesh.
That's what I mean.
How are you gonna put anything with a boat in it?
Oh, you hide it. You hide it.
There's a lot of process for do this boat.
Come.
Ice up your
Good.
umbrella.
Good.
Why do you need to bring the table here?
Man, so much.
So he can have shade. The
So
boat
much
have to be shaded too. This boat gotta clean. You cannot put that thing on here. Look at this thing. Go get something and scrub out this piece here before you go put stuff here.
Get the hose.
I don't know where the boat.
Don't wet it yet, Gavin. He's gonna have to take something dry and clean it.
Daddy, why do you need shade?
Now you go break my umbrella.
Good.
Other thing. You clear?
Daddy, you barely gave any shade.
That's all you need right there, just a piece. Actually, you sweat just for moving thing. Imagine you gotta stand up out here and do this thing now.
Well, how am I gonna raise up my shoulder too? Hey, you don't need the hose.
Leave it, you don't need it.
Daddy, why'd you say?
Should I bring a tent? Huh?
You don't have to raise it up, just install from here.
Okay, the table come down more then. No back.
Why? You have enough sun there. You
Mommy,
have-
Mommy, what are you installing?
He's installing the stroll motor.
In the
honey.
front?
Yeah.
Why in the front?
Hold on, Papa. Huh?
Why in the front?
Because that's where it goes. It goes on
I
the
see.
bow.
It goes here?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Wait, so what happens if you put it in the back? Isn't it a motor to drive?
There's a motor in the back, and then he's gonna have
Why
a
you asking so many
he's gonna have a
questions?
power motor in the front. He's asking questions because he wants to know.
What
So
is
when
that
he gets his
supposed to
own
do?
boat,
I'm never getting a boat.
No. You better go to school and go get a good degree. You know about boat.
I don't even know what a degree is.
You don't know? I'm gonna show you what a degree is.
right here.
Something you don't have.
Yeah. You see this fist?
Lord. The conversations in this house crack
Let me
me up.
unbox this. The rail, both really look nice at top here. You gonna put a grass. You should have known this. You see this end spot here? Look at the end spot in the boat.
No,
Yeah.
no.
Look, nice. Turn it up there.
You're not getting nothing for both on the patio.
Daddy, she don't want her soon-to-be kitchen to be a boathouse.
Right. My soon-to-be kitchen is not going to be a boat
You
storage.
could just buy a houseboat, bring it on the patio, and then you have a second house.
Yeah, to live in? You too smart, right?
Are you there?
He said just buy a houseboat, put it on the patio, and you're going to have a second house.
Yeah, he gonna stay inside. When we put him out the house, he gonna stay outside.
Or you mean when he put you out? Watch on Baji did it. Watch on.
When he start to pay the bill. Hold on. Ready? Pull the box.
You turned it upside down. No? Oh.
Pull.
What is that?
Pull. Put down.
Mommy, so you're supposed to connect that in the front?
Mama, we'll carry this with.
Brand new. No, turn it this way. Turn it this way.
Aye.
Turn it this way so you can hold the whole thing.
It's a brand new baby.
Should we help you unbox?
No, this is my box.
It's so hot.
I'm not throwing the box. I need it.
No, this is my box. You're trying to break it.
I want the box to put clothes for donation in there.
Well, if you want it,
This
then
cable
you
for
have to keep him away because he wants to break it straight
if
open.
you have to connect
It's got nails.
the fish finder, right?
Mm-hmm. Wow. Beautiful motor.
It's cheap though.
Uh-huh.
It's very cheap.
How much?
Because you paid nothing.
Right. Ding, ding, ding.
Look at the remote.
This is the propeller?
Look, finally the remote, Dada.
Mommy.
What I wrong about scissors, please?
Mommy, whose credit card did you pay with?
Your daddy.
Daddy, it's cheap, huh?
It's cheap, eh? Don't worry.
Your mama don't use credit card.
Your mama care walk around with cash.
It was cash, buddy. Cash. Ain't no credit here. It's cash.
With all this money, this thing that go without string, he put them around in
Yes,
it.
it did.
Yeah.
It's right here. It's a lanyard. It's not called string. Open here.
Yes,
Open
kid.
it. Let me see how you go down your neck.
One remote? That's what's I'll get eat one.
Suppose alligator eat you. I'm not get back a remote.
No man need that. Okay.
He needs a scissor.
No, I don't need it.
Oh, but you can't do that. You just told him that you needed it.
Where's it wrap?
It's in there in the plastic bag.
No.
It's right here.
Oh.
So you're unboxing.
Okay, I don't need that part. Yeah.
Put it around your neck. Let me see how you look.
Hook it up there. Okay, cut that.
Oh, this is if you want to hang it on your pants on the side. And this is your lanyard. So what you do is you put it in here. Hold it for me.
I guess. So?
This way. No, this way. Turning it. Okay, so what you do is when you're connecting it to the lanyard, you push it in here, right? You open it here.
Blow it?
And voila. Now, put it on your head.
You
Around
sure?
your head. Yes, Sham. Put it around your head, Sham.
Yes.
Too long.
You can adjust it. There's an
What is
adjustment.
that?
On the back of your
The
lanyard,
to
there's...
hold it.
A remote?
Yes.
So say you throw your net, you can press the button in your
Throw the
hand.
net. Press the button. Boom, boom.
Mommy, what does the button do?
It moves the motor. So he doesn't
Drive?
have to move it with his hand manually. He gets
Like,
to use the
There's a
remote.
button to make it drive like this.
You have to move the steering.
you see it?
No.
The plus is to make the motor.
55-pound thrust, full motor, iPilot,
The remote time.
the remote.
With the micro remote. Here's the micro remote.
Unique.
iPilot, you see?
Mm-hmm.
So now we'll put it up there, mark it the spot, drill the holes, see how it fits, right?
Whatever you say.
The other one will come in less wire, like.
You need English.
Yeah, because it doesn't have a remote.
Mommy, look. We could use it for a chicken pen and they could go through the door.
Watch
Okay.
it, Garen.
We gotta line it up here. Remember this? When
This is
you
me
install a motor, remember this have to be inside.
Why?
Because if you're going to boat ram and the post is there, you have no motor left.
Okay.
You're gonna rip the whole thing
So
apart.
bye-bye motor.
So you have to stay like a couple inches inside.
All right. And is this exactly how it's
No, yeah,
Aligned?
we gotta line it up.
Daddy, and when are you gonna use it?
Friday?
Right around there.
Now it needs to be a little more centered.
So when you line it up, remember this have to flip down.
So what's this? This is the shaft, like, of the
This got
motor.
in our way. However,
The farmer's facts.
Oh, this thing says Fulton. That's where we used to live.
okay, right? So let me mark it out first, and then we'll come back to the video,
Mommy, in New
All right.
Jersey?
right?
Are you going to tell us afterwards how much you marked it?
Yeah.
Exactly how much?
Yeah, let
No.
me figure it out first. After drill out this plate here. You see this plate?
Hold on, let's see.
I gotta take this plate out to get the bolt in.
Guys, and if you get one, when you buy your boat, that's when you should get it, because look how dirty this boat is now.
Mommy.
Alright, let me get tape measure. We got this plate, we got unscrew this plate to get the measurement. Alright? Alright, we'll come back to it just now. I'm gonna get some tools. Alright, you're going to drill out this plate here first.
This?
Yeah, if you see how we got mount the bolt inside, right?
Okay.
I think we need a farther drill.
Okay, so now will you be able to take it off, or do you need something else?
I'll put a farther drill.
Like this, so I can see. Now it's off. Okay.
See, now we can get room to check the bolt out there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I will get back to that part. Let me clean it up.
What do you have to do
We got to unscrew this plate so we can mark our hole,
now? Okay.
right?
Mm-hmm. Called the side plate.
Mm-hmm. Can't lose this.
So then you have to drill holes in those.
Yeah, we gotta mark the hole,
Mm-hmm.
unscrew this side. Right?
And you have to drill those holes too. So you can't take this plate off because of the wire.
Yeah, we can move it over a little bit like this. Right?
So now we have to put it back in the lines that you made and then drill there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we're gonna put it up there and mark the hole, right?
I do now.
Now we're gonna mark a hole. We already line it up there. You see the bottom here? We have to make a clearance here. You see? You see over here? And make sure this thing, when you flip it up, you don't hit here.
Okay.
So that cleared it, right?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna mark our hole. We're gonna drill 4 holes.
4 holes on each side? Okay, so mark your holes. This side first?
You see that one? Now 1.
Then you can drill one in the same spot back there on this side? Got that one and then you get another one back there.
Now 2. I get this 2 front one. That's too short. This not. Okay. Get the other one. And this one.
This one right here? Okay.
See that?
Oh, you broke it.
Okay, I don't know.
Okay, so you marked your 4 holes now. Now you gotta drill your 4 holes. Okay, I see another. Alright, so look, one, I don't know if you can see it, but 1 hole right there, 1 there, 1 there, and here. So that's your 4 holes. Now you gotta grab your drilling rod.
Push this in here. Let's catch the dust. Right?
Yeah.
Right?
Okay, so you're drilling that one first. And then you go through.
Okay.
And that one's gone through, now you need the other 3.
Okay.
Now these 2. And the last one.
Let me vacuum up that.
Alright, so you're done vacuum, now you gotta put the...
Now we use a 1/4 inch drill because this screw is 1/4 inch, right?
Did you drill through the whole thing?
See? Perfect size.
Last one? Okay. Now we can put back the short motor one.
one of these rubbers go at the bottom here. Or here, okay? Put 4 at the bottom here. Then we're gonna bring our motor back. Right? I'm gonna watch for you guys. We have 4 bolts. We only drill 4 hole. We're not drill 6 hole.
Okay.
Alright?
Uh-huh.
Alright, I'm gonna get a motor all the way up.
Okay, so you got your motor.
Line up in that line up there, right?
Uh-huh. Is it all lined with the holes in the rubber?
Where the rubber there?
Under.
Line up there? Okay, let me push one first.
They go in?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Don't you have to put the washer first?
No.
Okay, so this one needs to go a little more that way.
Right. How do you wash it? You got through there?
Nah.
Hold on, let me catch this one. Hold the motor down. The washer, stainless steel washer, and nut.
I can't get under that, so we'll just have to know what you're doing. I'm pretty sure you're gonna put the washer first and then the bolt.
Let's see what's going on here. You know Phillips screw, right? Hold on here. Fucking thing it. Sucker on in the bolt.
You broke something. So this is what we've been doing the entire time.
Now we get all those bolts down.
But we have to check what flew. We have to check what flew first. Because something fell.
Okay, all 4 is in there, right? Now we gotta catch it.
Now you just gotta take those bolts and
Yeah,
nuts.
washer and lock nut, okay?
And then you're putting under on all of them. So they won't come out.
That's right. Okay, when we finish catch it up, then we got tighten it back, right?
Okay. Alright, so
We
what
gotta
do
get the 3/8. Let's see, this was 3/8.
next one?
7/16 wrench for hold the bottom,
Mm-hmm.
and a Phillips screwdriver for on the top, okay?
Okay.
And we gotta tighten it up.
Let's see.
We don't want to use a screw gun because you don't want to wrong the head.
Yeah.
Okay?
Uh-huh.
Now let me tighten it up and I'll get to the next process, right? Tighten it up. It's quicker.
Okay.
And a 7/16 wrench. Right?
Okay.
There we go. Right?
Now how many times you gotta do that? 4? Let's see. This is the one
Tight
you
there?
adjusted? Now you're tightening this one.
nice and tight there, right?
So it won't fall off while in the water.
It can't fall off. The back one got tight to the screwdrivers because I can't get it. See, sturdy. I'll tight time if you put the plates back now, right?
Yeah. Good, now you're gonna screw it in.
Not tight.
And that's not tight?
Not tight.
Alright, next side.
So straight out this back.
So you do it the same thing. Okay, so there's two holes, one there and one there.
Catch that one.
Once you finish screwing these, all the building it is done, and then you just gotta hook up all the wires, right?
Okay, now that one tight up. How tight and nice. So all this wire, this will have to drill and go in here. For the battery.
And then what's that for?
This is the iPilot.
Okay.
Okay, so this is gonna stay here. Right? Wire strap up.
Alright, let's see the progress of this thing. Where's the marker on the ground?
I broke it. It's a long shaft.
It looks good. It's already mounted?
Yeah.
It looks good. Gosh, good job.
Look at that. Now we're going to install the connector maybe here, right? The plug-in.
I don't know.
Or you just sneak it in the battery over there. Put the battery there.
You're hiding the battery in here?
Yeah. So you can put the switch from the bottom. And you have to drill here, pushing the wire here. Bring it out there.
Alright, so stay tuned, guys.
Stay tuned for the wire connection. That's it.
Okay, this is the next step.
Okay, I will take this bolt out. Right? Okay, this is the
That's the
prop.
truck.
Okay, so you take this piece out, right?
Yeah.
You take this out. Kinda need this, right? You see the pin?
Yeah.
You have to line up here.
What's that?
See that?
Now you just need to put these two bolts. Well, these two.
So now you don't use the red one. Use a stainless steel.
Put that on and then you twist the
And it's
rock.
a lock nut.
And that should be done once you tighten that.
And you tighten it gently, okay?
Yeah. Alright, now when we finish hooking up all the wires and hooking it to the...
Sharp.
When we finish hooking the wires and putting it onto the battery, we're going to be able to test it using this.
Okay. You can try the remote, see how you work.
Yeah, but first we need batteries.
Okay, now we're drilling this installer connector, you see it?
Yeah.
So we'll go here, right?
Go right there.
Center here.
Should I move? What's the piece of cylinder for? Okay, so you made it in. Okay.
Drill that.
Yeah, what is that for? To hold that? Okay.
Bring a vacuum. Have you vacuum it for?
So you're putting that in?
Got to run on sneak.
So you're gonna try getting it from there to go side? Not gonna fit. Touching something.
Foam. Give us a screwdriver. Okay. So you have some foam in here. You gotta make some room here, right?
It stinks in there.
Stinks? Nice.
Oh, you smell it? You're gonna stick that in, and then what are you gonna do next?
Okay, this goes there.
Still more foam you have to cut out.
See? And this plug gonna goes in there. Right?
Yeah. Okay.
And this wire, you cut it, join it here so we don't need that much wire.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So this plug fit there. Now go to the battery in here. So we have to wait for the other parts. Then we're going to install this, right? Good.
Alright, tell us what happened.
Okay, instead for me put this here, right? I don't want the wire to the on top. And then you gotta cut this wire and plug it in here. And you gotta show like this. I want to do a professional job.
So where's the plug that goes in here?
This.
How?
Pull
Oh,
this out.
okay, okay.
And you
Alright, I got it.
bam. See? So this goes in there. It'll go in there, right? All this wire gonna stay outside like this. And you will see this big thing here. This thing. So now I'm gonna loop this wire here. Alright? Bore a hole there. Send it down there. Right? And I can bring it, slide it in this storage here, and mount it here. As I mount it there, all this wire got in here, so you're not gonna see nothing.
Okay.
Sound like a plan?
This seems like an all-day job. If you go on a diet, we could probably fit you in there.
You can bring a people from Mexico in this thing?
Yeah.
Huh? I can fit a Mexican in there. What is it?
Hurry up.
Oh, get the thing to board this thing. So it's about board there, right? So now we have to get this plug in and thing at top here. This sharp piece wire got in here and it got in the box.
Okay.
Sound like a plan?
Welcome back.
Welcome back, welcome back. You see this I'm talking about? Hey, look there. You gotta put one thing there. Which me turn a plate wrong side.
How?
It's also.
So now you can't flip it.
So.
Alright, that's okay. That's fine.
Yeah. Okay, today's day 2 of the installation. I added the part what I needed. This is the circle breaker right here. See this 50 amp. Right? So now I have to connect my wire. This You see this wire? This comes from the stroll motor. You see I snake them at the bottom there? Bring them through here, so we don't have to get too much wire on top there. Okay? Now I connect my ends here. This will go on it. Uh-oh, I drop it. This will go on the negative side, right? And this is the power for the stroll motor. Wanna go over here? See it? Wanna connect there? And this wire go on the positive side of the battery, and you connect to this one.
Okay.
And this is the jumper right there. You see? So if you want to shut off your motor, you don't want power go to the motor, it's on. Click it, it's off.
Okay.
Capiche?
Uh-huh.
Alright.
So let's see what you're doing.
Alright, let me do all this, and then we're going to still waiting for my battery case.
When's that coming?
Tomorrow?
So this installation take 3 days.
2 days.
Well, your case is coming tomorrow.
Okay, let me connect this wire to this guy here. We need a black. Yeah, this is 8-gauge wire. It is 8 gauge. Do not use more finer wire. It's require 8 gauge.
Why? Why? Why?
The stroll motor pull 12 volt.
Oh, okay.
So it's in there. It's my crimper.
You guys felt that?
See that? Nice and tight.
Did you all feel that?
Nice and tight there. I have to screw down this force at the side. Maybe around there. Maybe among this. You gotta get access to this thing. Tap here. There, right?
You couldn't get one of this thing at the marina for there?
No.
Where do you get that?
Rascal probably have it.
Well, you have to go and get it because you can't take the boat in the water without it. Unless you find that piece and you just put it back. You have that piece?
How you put it back? You can hold.
Silicone.
You want to put this thing this kind of? I don't know why I got it in the way. Why I got it in the way.
Alright guys, so we will be back once he figures out his life.
Once
Yeah?
you done figure it out, we will be back.
Once he figures out placement of his
Where's the
circuit
batteries
breaker
going?
and his battery and he cleans it up a little bit, we'll be back and you're going to show them how to put that onto the battery. Alright.
Last step, fixing the Mini Kota. Connect the batteries. Negative. Positive. And this is the kill switch. You see the kill switch is right there. There's some power. This thing, you gotta be careful of touch of power.
No, it'll shock you. That's your battery holder that you bought?
Yep. See it?
That's cute, yeah.
Okay, now connect.
I hear it.
I hear it.
So you're gonna pair your remote now?
Yep.
Alright.
Last step setting this thing up is pairing it. So I gotta pair, press this guy and press this two guy. Okay, now you see how this works out. See it's working there? Right, left, increase speed.
Wow. Good job. So you installed it and it actually works.
Oh. What's up everybody? It's Farmer Sham here. This is a Mini Kota PowerDrive. I show you how to install it on a tracker boat. And a remote.
That's the micro remote.
Micro remote.
iPilot? That's what it's
iPilot.
called.
Stay tuned. Let me show you how to use the remote. It's a next video because it's a little too complicated. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We meant to win.